Guys, we just finished watching the series finale of Korra. What the heck? What the heck? They ended it not the way I wanted them to. I should have filmed my whole reaction, huh, Dylan?
Yeah, probably.
They thought, I was like freaking out the whole time. Especially, I can't spoil anything, but I'm just like such a overreactor, and I was like jumping around and screaming over here. I was like as close as you can be to the monitor. But holy crap, guys, they ended it like that. Like, what? I just wasn't expecting that. I don't even know what to say.
I bet the viewers don't even watch it. Just say it.
Do you guys watch Korra? No, I don't want to. Okay, fine, I'll risk it. So, no, I'm not going to. Just know that if in the future, if future Dallas is watching this, you are really mad at Legend of Korra for it ending like that. And we were eating pizza while we were watching.
Look.
Guys, look at how close this table is to me. I can't even breathe. No, it's nailed to the ground. Anyway, we're at Dave & Buster's with Nell and Dylan and Tom somewhere. Oh, yeah. It's dateless. There's Tom. It could be next week. It could be yesterday. No one knows. It's the 18th. We're playing Spin the Wheelie. They love this one. Ooh, the bonus is 1,000 today.
Yeah.
Nice spin, buddy. I always get the perfect moments of Nell. Alright, baby. Bonus, 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 bonus. Oh, oh my gosh.
Oh. There you
Well,
go.
he got 60. Now you want to do it? Oh, okay. I'll do it now? Yeah.
That's 40.
$6.
No, not yet.
More spin, that's $6.
Okay, let's go. Whatever. Oh, it's a Walmart. Yeah, Britt. No, there's no way. Oh, 90. I mean, I guess. We'll say. My viewers. My subbies. My say sorry rats. Or like just Gina watching it over and over. Gina, no, don't do that. I need to know who's actually viewing. Oh my gosh. No way. That guy has a mountain of tickets. Oh my gosh. And they're just playing that. Dylan. Oh, he's shooting. Let's go see Dylan. Man, you suck though.
What are you talking about?
This. Guys, look at the hole in my sock.
No, stop. Right now,
Guys, we're currently coasting. We're coasting, and Nella and Tom are following us. Here, let me see. I told Dylan to record, but I'm gonna record because I'm on this side.
Here, look, I can record it.
Ohio! Just watch in front of me. Because I'm not. Hey! Hurry up, guys! Okay, I stopped for y'all. There's a speed bump, that's why. What are you doing? Get in the Mom's gonna see this and she's gonna be so mad that Dylan's coughing and what is that? Here, Dylan.
Oh my Jeebus.
Momentum.
Oh.
Come on now.
Oh my Jeebus, Millie.
Holy, that thing is 100 pounds.
Boom.
Oh my
One
god.
more.
6 days.
Me and Dallas were like
6 days left until Christmas. What is up with you and getting goods like desserts? Like, I think they have enough. They have that big bun over there. Anyways, we're here to get 2 Christmas presents for me at least.
It's like a combo.
Not specifically for me. Okay, you don't have to rap.
My name is Dylan. I'm chilling with my villains. we filling with the cupcake fillings.
Tennis ball launcher.
What the? That's kind of cool. Beatboxing in Walmart.
You guys are smart.
Hey guys, don't tell anyone, but I'm about to get this 1D poster for myself. Alright, it's number 24. Number 24. How do I even look at the numbers on here? There's like numbers and letters. Oh, bin 24. I'll go over here. Bin 24. Did I find it already? I found it. Yes, it's only $6. I wanted that one too, but this one's like an explosion of them. Bae, did you find it?
Damn it.
We can't find it.
You told
What?
me not to get that mechanical pencil for my diary. And now I ran out. And now I can't get
Sorry, I didn't know you still write a diary. Oh, sorry.
it. I hate you.
That's why you have video logs. You guys are my diary. You guys know my deepest, darkest secrets.
Really, Dallas?
Yes.
What is that?
It's true.
What's the poster?
It's true. Believe.
Dallas, what's the poster?
Nothing. It's
Put
nothing.
it up.
It's not.
Put it up.
It's my own money, so I can do what I want with it. It's nothing. It's a normal poster, Dylan. Trust me. A normal poster of, you know, like life. It's of life. I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you. You'll never. No, that's. I mean, that's okay. We can't find this, seriously.
Let me see it.
It's a normal poster, trust me. It's just like, you know, just like a couple of dudes. It's just a couple. What the? Kate Upton, that's the one you want, Dylan? You don't even have a room to put it in. Like, mom would be staring at that all day or something.
Where is it?
We're in the right section, I believe. Should be like a little tub. So hard to find stupid whiteout.
They don't make it anymore because kids come here and sniff it.
I don't believe you. What'd you find? Y'all didn't find anything? Oh, you still want the Kate Upton poster? Nothing. It's just a normal. No, it's not, Thomas. You don't know what this is.
Dallas, it is.
How did Tom get it like right so fast?
We looked at it. We just looked at the.
What else would it be a poster of?
It's just 5 dudes hanging out, you know. I'm very content right now. That's Bae right here. That's Bae. Anyways, guys, I think I'm officially done Christmas shopping. Like, I can't even get boxes apparently because Sears doesn't hand out free boxes anymore unless you buy something, so I only have 1 box. The rest of it is just gonna be wrapped like normal.
I forgot what I got.
What did you get?
Thank you.
No, we got barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Enchiladas.
No, I just kind of like.
Ooh, babe,
Potatoes.
I don't know what this is. I forgot what it's called.
The easiest way to cook it.
It's got queso all over it though. It's the bomb.
First time
So,
halfway.
we're all super full from Magnolia's. So much queso. It was like a blur. It's a queso blur.
Got choiced off.
Yeah, I did.
Cheesecake.
Super.
My legs are hairy. Sorry. Don't touch
And
them.
check out the presents right now.
I have toe hair.
We got a little going on. Little action. Look, this is from the babies. 2,000 babies.
These like, bro, you don't know. I'm like not coming.
Thank God you're finally doing your toenails. Hey, I'm not recording you eating this time, so you gotta be happy about that.
I feel like there's either feet or eating. Toenails was once. My foot on Kayla was another one.
That is so true. Oh my gosh. You guys always see the good side of Jessica. That's the only good side.
That's the only side.
Man, y'all are cold.
Dang, Dylan. R.I.P. R.I.P. Resurrect.
My nipple.
Dylan's playing NBA. Jessica's gonna do her feats.
That's none.
And Nell's gonna do it for her. And Tom's sleeping.
Do we really need
Sleepy
it?
child.
No.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go upstairs and show Kay all the presents. 'Cause she
Where's
needs
the
to wrap
organic
them. I just feel like I'm in a dream right now. With lights and Kayla's butt. It's all up in my face and it's so voluptuous. And it's, ooh, she flicked me off, but y'all missed it.